Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Agung Saleh. My major in Nautical Level 2. I am from AMI IT Makassar. And
my name is Muhammad Ihsan. My major is Nautical Level 2 in AMI Makassar. The environmental regulation were introduced last month. Have you read them?
Yes, I have. The use loss of work, fuel and repair now.
That's right. Also, special rules have been updated.
I hear the plastic must be separate and recycled properly.
Yes, if the regulations are not followed, penalty will be applied.
We should ensure all the crew members with these rules. The new environmental regulations were introduced last month. Have you read them?
Yes, I have. The use of the low sulfur is current now.
That's right. Was the disposal has been updated?
I heard the plastic was separate and recycled properly.
Yes, and if you don't follow the regulation, a penalty if you apply it.
We should ensure that all